Welcome to our embroidery tutorial on Backstitch. In this beginner-friendly video, we'll guide you through the process of creating clean and precise lines using the backstitch embroidery technique. Here's how to do a basic backstitch. Start by bringing your needle up through the fabric from the back to the front at the beginning of your stitching line. Insert the needle back into the fabric slightly ahead of the starting point. This point will determine the length of your stitch. Bring the needle up a short distance ahead. Then insert it down at the end of the first stitch you made. Repeat the process, bring the needle up a short distance ahead of the end of the previous stitch, and then insert it back down at the end of the last stitch. This way, you'll be backstitching by creating a line of overlapping stitches. Backstitch known for its durability and clean appearance. Backstitch is commonly used in various types of embroidery projects, including cross-stitch, hand embroidery, and surface embroidery. Here you can see a butterfly outline using backstitch design. Similar way, you can use backstitch to create solid lines, outlines, and fine details in embroidery designs. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting!